Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will talk about Hazrat Umar ta'ala anhum, the second Caliph of the Islam and the closest companions of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Umar ta'ala anhu was a brave and strong leader. Before accepting Islam, he was against it, but Allah guided him and he accepted Islam after hearing the verses of the Quran. His acceptance gave the strength to the Muslims in Makkah. After the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away, Hazrat Umar ta'ala anhu became the second Caliph of the Islam. He was known for his justice, humility, and care for people. During his rule, Islam spread to many lands, including Persia and Egypt. He set up systems of governance, code, and ensured fairness for all. One of his famous sayings was, "If a dog dies of hunger near Euphrates, I will be accountable to Allah for it." This shows a deep sense of responsibility. Hazrat Umar ta'ala anhu lived a simple life despite ruling over a large empire. He cared deeply for the welfare of the people. Hazrat Umar ta'ala anhu was martyred while leading the Fajr prayer, but his legacy of justice and humility lives on. Hazrat Umar ta'ala anhu is an example of true leadership and dedication to Islam. May we learn from his life. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.